Codeanywhere AI has just been released, and if you're looking for the latest tool to streamline your development workflow, this is the review you need to watch. I'm diving into the 7 crucial things you need to know about this AI-powered software. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for all the insights. Before we jump in, I want to let you know that you can try Codeanywhere AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Now, let's get into why this software is creating such a buzz in the industry. First off, Codeanywhere AI integrates seamlessly with your existing development tools. Whether you're a developer, coder, or just someone who works with code, this software is designed to make your life easier. It uses AI to automate repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on higher level work. Imagine having a tool that adapts to your coding style and optimizes your workflow. That's exactly what Codeanywhere AI does. It learns from your habits and preferences over time, making it more efficient the longer you use it. Another thing you'll appreciate is its real-time collaboration features. If you're working with a team, this feature is invaluable. You can share your workspace with colleagues or clients, and everyone can see changes in real time. No more back and forth emails or waiting for someone to upload the latest version of the code. It's all happening live, making team projects smoother and faster. Speaking of speed, Codeanywhere AI is lightning fast when it comes to deployment. Whether you're pushing updates to your code or testing out new changes, this AI handles it quickly and without errors. The system's machine learning algorithms are designed to catch mistakes before they cause problems, so you can be confident that your code is going to work the first time, every time. If you're someone who's always juggling multiple projects, you'll love the project management features. Codeanywhere AI helps you stay on top of deadlines, track progress, and organize your code base all in one place. No more lost files or scrambling to find the latest version of your project. It's all neatly organized and ready for you to access anytime. Now, let's talk security. As a developer, you know how important it is to keep your code safe. Codeanywhere AI uses state-of-the-art encryption to protect your work, ensuring that only you and the people you choose have access. Plus, it offers multiple layers of security, including two-factor authentication, so you can feel confident that your data is secure at all times. One of the standout features is the AI-powered code suggestions. This is where Codeanywhere really shows off its intelligence. As you're writing your code, it will suggest improvements and even detect bugs that you may have missed. It's like having a personal assistant who's always looking out for your best interests, helping you write cleaner, more efficient code. Lastly, let's talk about the pricing. Codeanywhere AI is highly affordable, especially for the level of features it offers, whether you're an individual developer or part of a large team. The pricing is designed to be scalable and accessible. And don't forget, you can try it out completely free with the link below to see if it's the right fit for your needs. If you're looking to streamline your coding process, increase productivity, and take advantage of the latest in AI technology, I highly recommend giving Codeanywhere AI a shot. Remember, you can try it for free through the first link below. I've tested countless AI tools in my career, and after using Codeanywhere, I can confidently say it's one of the most powerful and efficient pieces of software out there for developers. If you want to explore other AI tools I recommend, check out the links in the description for more free trials. Don't forget to try Codeanywhere AI today. It could be the game changer you've been waiting for.